The Mechatronics Engineering Technology program at Craven Community College will provide you with the training you need for a career as an industrial technician, maintenance technician, process improvement technician, engineering technician, and countless flexible and in high demand jobs. As a student in the Mechatronics Engineering Technology program, you will get hands-on training in electronics, robotics, mechanics, instrumentation, process control, and industrial automation. You'll learn basic engineering principles and technical skills in developing and testing automated, servomechanical, and other electromechanical systems. You can work toward an associate degree and qualify for many in-demand jobs in the community, or continue your education through a special relationship with East Carolina University and earn a Bachelor of Science degree in industrial technology. Whether you want to stick close to home or travel the world, the Mechatronics Engineering program at Craven Community College gives you the flexibility to start a new career today. To learn more about Mechatronics Engineering at CravenCC, visit CravenCC.edu/mechatronics-engineering. Craven Community College, your first choice.